Tired of that saggy skin that you get above your eyes and then you get the puffy skin underneath? You can't win, right? Well, there's a lot of women in Atlanta that are turning to a laser procedure that can make you look years younger. We're going to show you what it's all about in our health alert tonight. I do want to warn you though, some of the video you're about to see is from the operating room and may be considered a bit graphic. It's said beauty is in the eye of the beholder, but Judy Wheeler says there's nothing wrong with getting a little work done.
I really have always felt that as a person ages, it's important to keep as youthful an image as they can.
The 68-year-old wife and grandmother is ready to get rid of that saggy, baggy skin around her eyes.
Because everything's falling because of gravity.
The skin around the eyes is the thinnest skin in the body. So what tends to happen is it'll get wrinkled and get distorted, and it gives people the appearance of being tired.
Atlanta cosmetic surgeon Dr. Chip Cole recommended Judy get a surgical procedure called Eyelight Blepharoplasty.
The Eyelight Blepharoplasty is a procedure to rejuvenate that area so that it will be in harmony with the rest of the face.
Dr. Cole uses a tool called an endoscope and a laser to remove the excess skin and fat, giving the patient a brighter, more rested look.
The endoscope is used to reposition the deeper layer, and then the laser is used for the surface area.
Let's go ahead and do the laser, please.
Dr. Cole says Eyelight is less invasive than a traditional eye lift because it involves less cutting and no visible sutures.
You don't get that stretched, distorted look. It's a lot more rejuvenating, more natural.
The procedure takes about 2 hours, and most people can return to work in about a week.
This is a great procedure for people that want to maximize the result and kind of minimize their downtime.
55-year-old Teresa McMillan had the procedure done in 2008.
Eyelids were heavy and just looked tired in the eyes all the time.
Here's what she looked like before, and here's Teresa after surgery.
If I feel like I look good on the outside, I feel even better on the inside.
Dr. Cole says Eyelight is becoming more popular with women in their mid to late 40s.
So we're seeing a lot of people do what we call preventative type procedures, or procedures that make them not look different but just improved.
And the results typically last 8 to 10 years, but as Dr. Cole tells his patients,
we can turn the clock back, but we can't stop it from running.
Now, Eyelight does require anesthesia, so there are risks. Patients may also experience dryness of your eye after the procedure. Eyelight costs about $7,000, and while insurance doesn't cover cosmetic procedures, Dr. Cole says if you are experiencing eyelid hooding, where the eyelid droops down to your lashes, surgery may be medically necessary, which means it may be covered by your insurance.